You can use this cute little heart as necklaces, use it as a bracelet, keychain, etc. And to make a small heart you need 16 6-strand phantom lines, and each line is 30 centimeters long. Burn the end of each thread first with a lighter. Then in the middle of the line, fix the line-in stand. Take the middle 2 lines, hold the coil in the right hand and tie the right oblique coil knot. Then take the 2 threads knotted obliquely in the middle as the axis, and the 7 threads on both sides are knotted obliquely on the axis respectively. Then do the same on the right side. Next, take the 2 threads in the middle, and tie a right oblique curly knot first. Then do the same on the right side. Then weave the 3rd row in the same way. Now we make the 4th row. Make the 5th row. When 5 rows are completely, then change the side and flip over to the back and reattach. Find the 2 middle thread and tie 2 curly knot tightly. Take these 2 lines as the axis, 15 lines on both sides as the winding wires, and tie oblique knots on both sides respectively. Now we are making up the outer edge of the little heart. Turn over and make the other side. Finally, the 2 threads on the tip are fixed with reverse oblique knots. In the same way, we make 2 small hearts. Then Then join the two small hearts back to make one piece. First, knot the 16 lines on one side of the heart, and likewise to the other heart. Tie the lines one by one and fix them with reverse oblique knots. Note that the two lines must be pulled inside after the reverse oblique knot is finished. Then take the second line and tie curly knot. After finishing one side, leave the outermost two lines. Pull and tighten the threads that have been knotted with knots one by one. After pulling, the side knots look flatter. Except for the two outermost thread, leave the rest of the thread about 1 centimeter and cut it off. Burn it. And hide the thread in the heart. Then follow the same method on one side and the other side. When this side is also done, cut, burn and hide as before. In the end, there were 4 wires left. Then take 3 strands of gold thread and make a loop around these 4 threads. About 2 centimeters long. Tighten the winding. Finally, fold the winding into a coil. And tie a knot to fix it. Cut off the excess thread and burn it. Our cute little heart is ready. Now you can use it as a necklace or a bracelet or even a keychain. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment the video at the end, and subscribe to our channel, HandiCrafts.